Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to make a Macebell. There's multiple ones I made, but I had an idea. I had this bar laying around that was like a cheap, I think Walmart bar. I cut it was 60 inch, so I cut it about 4 feet, so 48 inches. Wrap this with a little rope. Got these pipe clamps here just to get a nice um, frame of reference. So excuse me for that. So if you these are just the regular 1 inch collars, and this is just the weight. And I drilled a hole in here, put in a cap screw to make sure not the weights don't fall off accidentally, just to have double protection. Okay. Pretty cheap. These were like a couple of dollars. These I paid, I don't know, like $5-6 on Amazon. And then this measurement I got from is the Rogue Shoulder Rook, ROK. I don't know how to say it properly, but we'll see how this works. Okay, take care, bye bye.